Cranfield is about defining the future and delivering the future. It's about helping industry to get the very, very best of engineers, managers, people who will shape the industry moving forward.
We're at that junction of a technology revolution. Artificial intelligence, autonomy, electrification, new subject areas make it a really exciting time to be joining the aerospace business.
The National Flying Laboratory and Classroom is a crucial, unique facility at Cranfield. We know that many students find this experience completely inspirational. For many of them, it's the highlight of the whole of their studies.
We fly around 1,600 students a year from 25 universities. They start off with a briefing, an academic and safety briefing, and then we take them flying, and they effectively are flight test engineers for that period in the flight. They take data from the aeroplane and then they write a report afterwards.
It's one thing to say, yeah, I know what a certain figure means, but to actually see it in context really helps students ground their understanding and it helps them visualise in the future. So they actually get a sense of scale, they get a sense of perspective.
I came here on a week's placement over the summer. Probably 34 years ago, 35 years ago when I was still a student. I remember today what that felt like. It was just an amazing feeling. It really reinforced what real aircraft do, and it really helped your understanding of the fundamental physics of the aircraft.
Flight testing is an important part of what we do. Personally, the only time I've ever been in a flight test aircraft is back in the 1980s at Cranfield. So, that experience stays with you for your whole career.
The National Flying Laboratory and Classroom is currently a jet stream, and the jet stream is ageing. We took the decision a few months ago that we really needed to look at a replacement so that we could continue to give students this experience into the future.
The new flying classroom will be a slightly larger aircraft. The equipment will be updated on the new classroom. The students will be flying in an aeroplane that potentially could be taking data for industry at the same time.
Cranfield agreed that it would put a major tranche of funding in. A number of our industry stakeholders have committed to support this.
We see it as a really useful addition to students' learning. It definitely needs an update, and we were happy to contribute to that.
We see Cranfield as part of our ecosystem, a fundamental part of that ecosystem, because we get access to capabilities that we won't have in-house.
We now look to our alumni and friends to help us with the remainder of the fundraising.
Together we can enhance the experience of both students and industry.
Together we can deliver hybrid electric power for aerospace.
Together we can deliver sustainable aviation.
Together we can create the aerospace leaders of the future. To find out more about how you can support us, please visit our website.